Hey guys, this is Lucy. Come and join me to fix, find, and replace not working in Microsoft Excel. The first process is to unfilter and unprotect the sheet. So all you need to do is go to Data tab, and here in Sort and Filter, there is a filter option. Just click on that. If it's filtered, you just need to unfilter your sheet. The next thing to do is go to Review tab, and here in Protect ribbon, there is Protect Sheet. You just need to click on that, type your password to unprotect the sheet, and click on OK. So the next method is to open and repair. So what you need to do is click on File in the left corner right here and click on Open. After that, click on Browse right over there, and here just click on your file once. And here next to Tools, there is an Open option. You just need to click on this arrow and click on Open and Repair. So that's how you fix the problem as well. So the next method is to open a safe Excel file. All you need to do is press Windows plus R and type Excel/safe here, just like that, and click on OK. After that, you need to go and click on File and click on Options, and it will open this window. You just need to click on Add-ins. Here next to Manage, there is a box. You just need to click on this arrow and select this COM add-ins. Click on Go and a new window will pop up. You just need to uncheck all of these if it's checked and click on OK. And hopefully this will solve your problem. After this, you just need to restart your Excel, just close it and open it again. And the last process for this video is to open Windows settings. So go to Settings and go to Apps. Here, go to Installed Apps. So here in the search bar, just type Office or Microsoft 365 and this will be shown. You just need to click on three dots and click on Modify and click on Advanced option. Here you will see several options like Repair or Reset. You just need to click on Repair. If it's still not working, click on Reset and restart your computer. And that's what you need to do for this error. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.